Aluminium. This show's really bad, man. Fucking children.
Yeah. I heard it's meant to be quite good.
Shite.
I'm gonna be sick. I gotta find a bucket.
Hmm.
Where's the buckets?
Come with us, please. To the limestone caves. My brother Lenin, he's trapped under a rock. Look, we're not savage beasts. We just want help. Please. Damn you!
I'll think about it.
I
These
mean,
dogs. You should help them. They really need help.
they do. Please. A bus just flew past me. Look, I'm going to say, give me the bucket, Matt. Any buckets in this hallway here? Buckets. What's going on over there? Is that my wife? Priscilla! Ah, you burned my jacket. That's a 500-pound jacket. Computers.